Hi everyone, welcome back to Bochiknot and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. Welcome back to another Bochiknot Macrame knot series tutorial. We will be going over the triangle knot today. This knot is very similar to the cross knot or diamond stitch knot in that you take two separate strands of cord and attach them together, but this one you form a triangle shape. You will need one long strand of cord to make this knot, and with that, let's begin. So take your strand of cord, fold it in half and place the loop end at the top. Then take the right end and place it over the left. Taking the cord that's now over to the right and make a sideways loop. Take the front cord end and weave it from behind through the top loop and through the loop on the right. Hold on to the top loop and pull on the bottom two vertical cords to tighten the knot. You can continue repeating this triangle knot below so that it forms a triangle knot chain. You can incorporate this knot into your plant hangers, wall hangings, bracelets, keychains, and much more. Give this knot a try and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you guys are interested in more videos like this, you can check out my Bochiknot Macrame Knot Series playlist, and I'll post a link to that in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.